Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I will show you how you can clean your USB-C charging port in the smartphone. So at the first you have to prepare the good source of light to see what is inside. Thin object like in my case, and we are going to zoom to show. I will show you what is inside. So in the most cases you will find here the dust. So let's put it like that from one of the edge, and remember to do it slowly. Okay, if there's something inside, that was all. Yeah, that's all. So as you can see, it was the big part of the dust inside, and right now we can easily plug charge your phone, or just transfer data. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.